PC storage almost full? Let's find your top 20 biggest files using CMD and PowerShell. No apps needed. Click Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. First, scan just your user folders, desktop, documents, downloads. Paste this and hit Enter. Paste in description or comment. Top 20 files with full paths and sizes in megabytes. To check the whole C, drive, including hidden files, run. You will get top 20 files with full paths and sizes in megabytes. Want a specific folder or another drive? Just change the path. For examples, D:\media single quote, E:\backup single quote, or network path like \server\share. Now review those paths. Large ISOs, videos, or old installers are common culprits. Delete only what you recognize. If you want a CSV report you can open in Excel, comment CSV and I'll drop that command. Like, subscribe and free up that space. Don't forget to follow and subscribe.